guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix failure to download or apply critical setting. Please check your internet connection error. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this type of error occur due to some network glitch and some corrupted files in Roblox. So it's not like any other error code, so sometimes it's automatically fixed. So we had some steps to fix those things, so let's fix it. So our first step is to check the VPN and troubleshoot the network. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter the network and internet and find VPN and try to enter into the VPN. Over here, if you are connected the VPN, it shows the VPN address and the status of the VPN, like connected or disconnected. In our case, there is no VPN is connected yet, so it's there is no status over here. So if you are connected, please disconnect and check. And the second thing is to troubleshoot the network. So for that you need to enter into system and then troubleshoot and then other troubleshoot. Yeah, over here you need to run network and internet troubleshoot. So once you click, yeah, it shows there is no issue in the internet. If in case you had any issue, the troubleshoot option is located over there. Please click and troubleshoot it. And also you can run a network test, and you need to restart your modem or router, and after that you need to restart your PC. In the restart session for modem, you need to plug off and plug in the connection. So our second step is to clear that cache file or temp file. For that you need to press Windows R and then type %temp%. It will redirect to your temp folder. You need to find the Roblox folder. Yeah, those are the web temp and the applications or software temps is over here. So you need to clear those temp file. For that you need to delete the Roblox folder. Once you done, again you need to click Windows R and then enter into %local app data %. Yeah, and then click OK. Over here you need to find the Roblox folder. Once you find the Roblox folder, please enter into it and you need to search the version folder. Yeah, over here you need to delete the version folder. Yeah, it's state like there is a 2 or 3 version over here, so sometimes it will corrupt, so you need to delete it. Once you delete it, you need to click your Roblox application to install. It's not about uninstalling the Roblox, it's just deleting the version. It's not create a big impact. So after that you need to click Windows R and then type control firewall.cpl. Yeah, once you done, please enter into allow an app into the firewall. Over here you need to find the Roblox and check whether the private and public is enabled or not. If not, please enable it. If it's already enabled, it's not an issue, skip the step. So at last, the fourth step is to check whether you had enough internal memory. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Before that you need to restart your system, and I hope the issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.